Hello and welcome to Market Call. I'm Mark Bunting. Thanks a lot for being with us. Bruce Murray is on the show today. He's CEO and CIO of Murray Wealth Group, and he's taking your questions on North American growth stocks. You know how to get a hold of us. Call us toll free at 1-855-326-6266, or you can send an email to marketcall@bnnbloomberg.ca. Hi, Bruce. Good to see you.
Likewise.
Yeah. So we know that a lot of investors think that valuations are quite stretched right now, but I understand that you think a new business cycle is underway, so valuations may be okay.
Yeah, and I mean, I believe so. Yes, they are high, but we've never seen companies as profitable as Facebook and Google and Microsoft. Even when they change their names, they still are profitable. Right. So you've got that underlying, then you've got this massive productivity gain being pushed into the whole economy by artificial intelligence. And I think if I remember correctly, the fourth quarter last year, the growth rate for productivity was 2.7%. So you can compensate for an awful lot with that. And in the industrial economy, we've made 18, I think I said this in the show before, we've made 18 million cars forever in North America. The population's doubled, and we're just coming off 15, and everybody was surprised last quarter, all of a sudden, production went into the 16.5. We lost a lot of, technical people, machinists and stuff during the pandemic, and they, getting back and retrained. Airbus can't make enough planes. Boeing has its own problems. And so the industrial economy is still emerging. The simpler things came back faster, but the more complex stuff has been delayed. And I think that's coming on. And so we're going to see lower inflation, higher growth. People's wages are going to go up. The depression from the pandemic and the inflation will gradually dissipate, and I think the economy will do very nicely, and it'll be a bit of a boom time.
And do big technology stocks continue to lead the way?
Yeah, I think they'll lead the way. I hope by not as much, and some of the other, the rest of the economy picks up and goes along with it. But yeah, I mean, that big technology play is just still in the early phases of unfolding. We don't even know where it's going. So
right. So you think the economy is broadening out to other sectors, and I understand you're looking at a number of cyclicals, resource stocks like copper, for example.
Yeah. I mean, just to fuel the electric world we're moving to, and these databases, everybody's hearing about how much copper is required to just get the energy storage for a database going. So, that's all out there. It's tough, though, to find something to invest in copper, and we can talk about that later if you wish, but yeah.
Yeah, no, for sure. I actually like to pursue that because there are many people who think that copper is the real metal to be in out to 2030 and beyond because of coming deficits and so on, and the need for copper and the energy transition. So more with Bruce Murray, along with your phone calls and emails right after this break.